Well, hello guys, here we are again. I caught the stomach virus from my kids and have had a very unpleasant 24 hours. So I'll spare you the details, but has not been fun. So let's get this lesson done. It's a fast lesson today, only one page. So we went over binomial distributions last time, and this one is all about geometric distributions. Unlike a binomial experiment, this one is done or repeated until a success occurs. So there isn't a fixed amount of trials. You just go until your first success. Each trial is independent of each other. The probability of success is the same for each trial. And X, in this case, instead of being like how many successes you have, like it was last time, now it's the trial in which the first success occurs. Which I'll write down here too. It's the trial in which the first success occurs. P is the probability of success. Q is the probability of failure. Whew. Together, these add up to 1. Okay, I am not going to throw up on camera. Doing okay. We're going to make it. I know I'm going through this fast, so feel free to stop anytime you need to. All right, LeBron James makes a free throw shot about 75% of the time. Find the probability that his first free throw shot he makes occurs on the third or the fourth attempt. All right, let's first try the third attempt. So the probability of him making it on the third attempt means that he has to fail twice first. 25% chance of him failing the first time, 25% chance of him failing the second time, and then he makes it on the third shot, which is 75% the third time. Same thing, probability of the fourth is 0.25 times 0.25 times 0.25 times 0.75. So notice that there's only one success, and that all the failures are the times that they didn't succeed. So there could be lots of failures, but only one success, and then it ends. If I go on my calculator and I type in this stuff, I get 0.0469 for the first one. That's the chance that his first time he makes it is on his third attempt. And this one is 0.0117. And these are so low. Remember, it says or, which means add them together. The reason why these are so low is because it's more likely that he'll make it on the first attempt or the second attempt, which the first attempt would be, what, 0.75. The next one would be 0.25 times 0.75, etc. So he really should make it before this. Okay. So pause the video and you try example 2. Making his first free throw shot before his third attempt. I'm going to go ahead and work on it. But you should be paused at this point. So if it's before his third attempt, it has to be his first or his second. His first attempt is simply 75%, and his second one is 0.25 times 0.75. If I add these together, I get 0.9375. Now, you'll notice that these two added together don't add up to 100%. This isn't like a binomial distribution where all these probabilities add up to 100%. I mean, theoretically they do, but technically it could take LeBron James 100 times or 1,000 times to make his first free throw shot. It's super unlikely. In fact, if I add these two up, you'll see that it's over a, 99% chance that he's going to make it at this point. Yeah, we're already there for making it. So there's a very slim chance it'll be after this, but possible. Hopefully you've realized by now what the formula will be, which is the probability of X occurring is 1 probability of success, and the probability of failures are Q to the X minus 1. That means failure to how many times it takes him to succeed minus 1 because he failed all the previous times. Hopefully that's all right. On the back side, it's kind of hard to read, so if you need to look at a better copy of it, it is on page 219. By the way, this section talks about geometric and Poisson distributions, but Poisson distributions are not on the AP exam. Poisson distributions are what the likelihood is, like how many successes you would get in a certain time period, which is not something that's on there. So we don't need to study it. We'll maybe go back and study it after the AP exam just so you have some experience with it, but not now. The homework is just 5 quick questions, and hopefully you'll get those done real fast. Also, Natalie and Georgia need to take that benchmark, and then we'll work on correcting those tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be back. All right, bye guys.